Hello hey guys, welcome to back my YouTube channel. Fixing the issue, the YouTube playback videos speed is not working. The video speed has been error problem. Example that let me the checking and try to open the application as YouTube as be applications and example the video play. The first of all open the videos and press the settings as we playback speed testing as we first of all the open the play videos, the checking has been normal play, and second the playback has been not working. The videos has been normal starting has been no issues yet with the checkings is playback has been error problem. The solution this video and properly guideline updated. First of all, open the Play Stores and officially the YouTube application has been updated. First of all, the YouTube search has been updated. News updated the completed the Android and iPhones. Same procedure and properly the resolve the issues and updated the completed. The please wait. The updated completed and second step the most important. The YouTube updated has been completed. Let me the checkings. YouTube updated the complete has been open the application but any important the reset your device is at completed. The reset your device and well device is completed. The off your and problem the resolve the issues.